Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this jumbo knotless braid. Actually it is a jumbo goddess knotless braid. The video is about how to achieve a knotless braid, but I just added a few tutorials of how to do a goddess braid, where it is not exactly a detailed video, but it does show the basics, as in the reason for this video, which is the knotless braid. So guys, let's go see how I achieved this look. As for the back, I didn't use a knotless style, I used the crochet style. So here's the extension I used, the expression braids. So this is the part where I do the knotless braid. Actually this is my first time of doing a knotless braid. So I sectioned my hair into tiny bits, not so tiny because kind of jumbo. Now I'm going to apply my virgin hair fertilizer, and I'm going to be applying a bit of my got2b glue to lay the hair down a bit, though it makes the hair a bit whitish, though it will dry up after some time. Next, I'm going to section my hair into 3 and weave it a bit up from the bottom like this. I just pass my fingers through the middle like this and take it up like 3-4 steps. Though it's still a bit whitish, like I told you guys before, it will dry up with time. So next I'm going to take a bit of extension just like this, share my hair in 3 like this and attach it to it. It's just like you're doing a feed-in braid. I weave another 4 or 5 steps down. Make sure to press it so your hair blends with the extension. So next I'm going to add in another extension until I get the thickness I want. Like I told you all, it's like a jumbo braid, so there's a particular size I need. Now we also weave this down to a point like 5-6 steps down again. Then I might decide to add another just for thickness. So in this particular size I'm doing, I added like 3 times, like feed-in braid, like 3 times. So I guess I am okay with this size. The main purpose of this video is the knotless braid. See how it looks beneath. So next I'll give you a quick preview how to do the goddess braid. Here's my curly hair. I'm going to attach it here now. For those who don't know, I have a video of how to DIY your goddess braid. You can check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below. So like I told you all, the main purpose of this video is how to do the knotless braids, but I just had to add a little tutorial of how to achieve the goddess braid too. The reason for this part you're seeing.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste.
So for those who didn't really get how I achieved the first knotless braid, here is another. You can see I'm going to do the others like that too. As for the back, like I told you all, I didn't do it in knotless braid. I did a crochet. It is for the lazy people like us who cannot bear to take so much time to do everything. So I did the crochet behind, which makes it a bit easier. When you drop in the blue for a bad man,
ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So guys, I'm just going to continue with the others the same way.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Na 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 na. Oh na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 bum
So guys, we have done with our knotless boss braid slash goddess braid. This is the result. It's not exactly perfect, but the idea is to show you guys how to do the knotless braid. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.
Her friend say she's feeling my face. Ha.